To send money internationally on Revolut, simply start by opening the Revolut app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Send button. This will take you to the Send Money page where you can select the currency you want to send in the recipient's country. Next, enter the recipient's details including their name, address, and bank account information. You can also add the recipient as a new payee or select an existing one from your payee list. Make sure the recipient's details are accurate to avoid any transfer issues. After entering the recipient's details, select the transfer method. Revolut offers various transfer methods including standard, express, and SWIFT transfers. The transfer method you choose will depend on the transfer speed and fees. Standard transfers are usually free but take longer, while express transfers are faster but incur a fee. Once you have selected the transfer method, review the transfer details including the transfer amount, exchange rate, and fees. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a cost-effective way to send money internationally. You can also track the status of your transfer in the app. To complete the transfer, confirm the details and authorize the payment. The recipient will receive the funds in their local currency, and you will receive a confirmation email from Revolut. You can also set up recurring payments and schedule transfers in advance, making it easy to manage your international money transfers. When sending money internationally on Revolut, make sure to check the transfer limits and any additional requirements such as verification documents. Revolut is a secure and reliable way to send money internationally, with end-to-end encryption and regulatory compliance. By following these steps, you can send money internationally on Revolut simply and efficiently.